Hello and welcome my friend, and next I am planning to give you information that what is good screwdriver for to open these cars batteries, like in here, these battery screws. And here is Toyota's key and here is Lexus key, and here is also Toyota's key in here, and there is Honda's key. And the key point is that we have to purchase very good quality screwdrivers. German, they do really great screwdrivers, and here is one of the best. Brand is Bernstein, and there is code H162, and then second is H289, and look, all of are Germany. Sorry that these are used, and Germany Bernstein H162. Okay, and there is actually two of these same sides, and here is this trick why these are so important. Look, we can see these key sides in this sides in here. This is flathead 0.25 x multiplier 1.5, and it means that this head's size is thickness is 0.2 millimeters and length is only 1.5 millimeters. Look, it is so thin, and here is this information. And these tools are made for professional clock repairman and computer technicians. These are so high quality screwdrivers. And this head is really hard steel. It is made like extra hard steel. And here we have this Phillips head. Looks, there is Phillips head screwdriver, and there is this there is code P. It is a little bit worn out. PH. I believe that there is type in here, but it is worn out. But I checked that what is this screwdriver's type. What is 2? We can search, look in internet. 4, 2, 8, and I believe that this is 9, this last letter. And there is really Phillips head, very thin Phillips head screwdriver drill bite. Look, and this drill bite fits like in this my Lexus remote key, what cost $500. This is really original. Look, original Tokoerika, made in Japan, and this is easy to open in that way. And look, here are those really accurate Phillips head screws, and we really need now this just right side screwdriver. Look, they are really thin, and when we have this high quality Bernstein Phillips head, the screwdriver, it fits just in here. Look, just in here. Look, and this is the key, that how we open these in right way, these remote keys screws. You have to purchase high quality screwdriver, and this Bernstein is my favorite tool, and you can purchase this in internet, amazon.com or some another part. Bernstein, and type, and just choose right sides of screwdriver, and do not open these small screws with wrong tool. Now I have wrong tool. This is flathead. Look, flathead screwdriver. This is wrong, but this Phillips head is right, and this width in here just right way. And this is the key, that you need just right side of screwdriver, because if you damage these screws, then there is risk that you can damage this full Lexus remote key, and this really cost then $500 or euros. And this original Toyota's like Corolla's key, this cost only $200. But these smart keys, they are like triple or triple times coster. And here is also Mercedes, great German remote key. And when we look in that back area, there is this small button. I can press that, and then I can take this cover away. I can little bit bend that. There is this. There is another. Now there is remote key, and there is also these keys in it, these screws in here inside. Now, okay, and now I open this Mercedes-Benz remote key, and here we have, in German way, if we like to open that, we can see that there is small hexagonal screw in here. Now, these my flathead and Phillips head screwdrivers, they don't open these screws, and I need to purchase this hexagonal tool. Look, that kind of Bernstein screwdriver, that I can open this whole package in here. But this battery is easy to open, because there is only this small flip what moves in here, and inside in here is battery. But if you need to disassemble this Mercedes-Benz key, you need really hexagonal screwdriver.